As of June 14, 2025, reserve rights token is trading around 0.0063 with a 24-hour volume near $16 million. Major catalysts including a recent Coinbase listing developments and growing real-world asset integrations are steering the market right now. So stay tuned. In the next few minutes, we will unpack live price action, technical and fundamental insights, expert forecasts, and actionable strategies complete with source links. So welcome back to the Inside Sphere. I'm Asif, bringing you live real-time analysis on reserve rights. Today, deep dives use up to the minute data as of pulled from a top aggregators. You will see live charts here about fresh news like Coinbase listing timelines and RWA updates and get expert projections. So get started. Coinbase started trading of RSR on 9 a.m. on June 12, 2025, pending liquidity conditions, meaning US users may now access RSR more easily. Besides that, broader decentralized finance sector is seeing surging RWA tokenization, stablecoin and RW markets had record volumes in second quarter 2025 with an on-chain RWA TVL surpassing $21 million, reinforcing demand for collateral mechanism like those RSR provides. Over the past week, RSR fell from roughly $0.0075 to around $0.0063, reflecting short-term profit taking after mid-May peaks near $0.0105, but volume remains robust at $16.5 million, indicating active trading interest. New partner announcements and R token pilot programs targeting inflation hedge solutions in emerging markets are in motion, potentially underpinning medium-term demand for RSR staking and usage. These developments from a live backdrop improved exchange access where Coinbase record RW tokenization metrics and ongoing ecosystem growth. So let's examine live price action and technical considerations. As of this recording, RSR trade at approximately $0.0063 with a 24-hour volume near $15.77 million. Recent price history shows a drop from multi-week highs near $0.0105 in mid-May to current consolidation levels. Let's identify key zones using live data and recent history. If we talk about a support zone, price has tested this region multiple times in the past 48 hours. A clear break below 0.0062 could open lower test near 0.0058. Resistance zones are hold several recent swing highs from early June. Sustained break above this could signal renewed bullish sentiment. So we can say that resistance zones are near 0.0068 to 0.0070 dollars. Spot price sets below the 20-day and a 50-day simply moving averages, confirming a short-term bearish bias, but nearing the lower Bollinger Band, suggesting a potential mean reversion if volume spikes accompanying a reversal. While exact RSI and MACD values require live chart platform, viewers should watch for RSI climbing from oversold back toward neutral 40 and 50 on a bounce and MACD histogram narrowing before a bullish crossover. Signals to watch on like trading view on charting tools in real time. Uh, so technically RSR is consolidating near a critical support. Watch for a bounce about 0.0068 on a rising volume to signal potential upside. Failure to hold a 0.0062 could invite deeper pullbacks. RSR underpins reserve protocol R tokens by absorbing protocol shortfalls and governing risk parameters as new R tokens launch, especially those backed by real world assets. The demand for RSR staking and coverage functions can increase. On-chain RWA and TVL exceeded $21 billion in second quarter 2025 with a continued institutional interest as protocol tokenized assets. Protocols over collateralization rule using RSR may gain attention. With Coinbase listing process moving forward, US retail and institutional inflows could boost liquidity and broaden the holder base. Easy access often correlates with improved on-chain activity and ancillary services demand. Recent governance proposals explore new collateral types, fee adjustments, and risk parameters. Active participation signals a healthy ecosystem through execution risk remains if proposals face delays or complexity. So fundamentals remain intact. RSR core utility aligns with rising RWA trends and expanding listings, yet macro conditions and execution timelines will modulate how quickly this translates into a price appreciation. So here is up to date model projections and analyst views as of uh, June 2025. Uh, Changely suggest average RSR price around 0.00661 for June 2025 with a floor not dropping below 0.00619 for the month, indicating potential stability around current support. Based on a recent price series from early May, short-term mean reversion could bring price up toward 0.0070 or to 0.0075 if market sentiment remains constructive. However, a deeper macro downturn risks dragging it to a 0.0058. Social sentiment trackers shows moderate bullishness on RSR, but watch for spikes in mentions tied to specific RWA launches or listing confirmation. On-chain staking ratios and R token minting volumes can preempt shifts in demand. So short-term models lean toward consolidation near 0.0062 up to 0.0066 with upside potential to a 0.0076 if catalysts align. Always, always cross-check live chart platforms for indicator confirmation before acting. So here's a bullish trigger path. The catalyst would be confirmed active trading on Coinbase with healthy order book depth, RWN announcements, or our tokens launches, a broader decentralized finance rally. Break above resistance zones, that is 0.0068 on above average volume. The next targets at would be a 0.0075 and then a 0.0085 if momentum extends. A medium term aim toward a prior mid-May highs near 0.0100 to 0.0105 contingent on sustained positive drivers. Consider a staggered entries around current support, that is 0.0062, scale in more on breakout with volume confirmation. While the bearish trigger path would be there may be a risk like macro downturn, delayed RWA rollouts, weak liquidity post listing, and broader crypto sell-off. Breakdown below a 0.0062 support into a uh, price can go towards a 0.0058 zone. If that fails, further declines toward a 0.0050 region. For traders, consider setting tight stop losses or hedging For long-term believers, DCN to dips, but be prepared for extended consolidation. So, real-time alerts on chart platforms set at these thresholds monitor volume surges and order book depth on exchanges like Coinbase and Binance to gauge commitment behind moves. So, key live risk factors to track continuously. Um Number one is order book liquidity. After Coinbase listing, watch spreads and depths, then liquidity can exacerbate volatility. Any new decentralized finance or stablecoin regulation announcement globally can shift sentiment instantly. Set alerts on major news outlets. Live governance forums or official blog posts announcing delays or launches for our token projects can savvy fundamentals. Broader crypto indices, for example, total market cap, Bitcoin movements often lead mid cap tokens like RSR. On chain metrics are staking participation rate, R token mint, burn volumes. Certain drops may warn of a decreasing protocol usage. So set up dashboards or use tools like Glassnode, CoinGeek alerts, and governance dashboards to keep tabs live. So that's wraps our live RSR deep dive as of today. If you found these real-time insights helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss instant updates on key tokens. Shares your live observations. What levels are you watching for RSR? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. Check the description for all source links to verify data in real time. Thanks for watching Inside Sphere. See you in the next live analysis.